Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how can you use any programming language in your website in Apache web server. So most of us are familiar with Apache web server, but we don't know how can we use any programming language in Apache web server. So for that you should install Apache web server first and install its one mode. So I am talking about Apache web server. I have already installed it, and you should enable one of its mode, which is called cgi.load. Look, I have already enabled cgi.load. So after enabling this mode, you should restart your Apache web server, and if you are a Debian user or Ubuntu user or any related distribution user, then you can find one folder in your user lib and cgi-bin folder in your directories. Look at this directory carefully. If you are a Debian and Ubuntu user, then you will find this directory at that place. If you put any executable file in this directory, then you can easily execute that file in your website. For suppose I have a bunch of file already listed here. So for suppose, let me give you a demonstration. For suppose, first of all, I am opening node.cgi. This is a simple Node.js program. How do I know that? Because I have mentioned that this script will be nodes, or this script is executed by this program, which is Node.js program. And what this script will do, simply just telling the type of the return and some demo output. So let's run this node.cgi in our local environment. If you are using those script by default, you can access it from this appending this syntax after your local URL or any hosted URL. So I have leave the setting to default, so I am using same default setting cgi-bin. And what's the name of our file? node.cgi. Okay, node.cgi. When I run this, you can see our file is executed, and this output is generated from this executable file. You can see content type HTML, and there is heading 1, hello world from Node.js. Look, heading 1, and there's some loop output. So you can do anything. You have idea, if you are a programmer, you can do anything in Node.js here. You can even create your own APIs and call it from what we say Ajax. So you can pretty much use anything. Second program, let's run C++ program. What is its source? It's a compiled version of C++ program. Let me show you its source code. This source code also mentioned giving output, content type, and some hello world with prefix counting I. So let's see C++.cgi. See, you can see that it's also generated dynamically from our program, and our C++ program is directly executed at our web server. So this is really cool feature. You can use pretty much you can use any programming language executable file. See, there I have Perl, Python, sorry, Python output and PHP. And so for example, if I use Python, see it's also executed. It's a Perl program. So it's a very powerful feature. Most of us don't know about it. So we should utilize CGI bin folder or CGI.load mode in Apache web server. So using this, we can use pretty much any programming language in our website. We can create our own APIs. We can interact with the database in many programming languages what we prefer best for us. So this is a very good feature. So if you are not bound to just PHP or just Python or just Node.js to interact with database, you can use C++, Perl or anything. So I hope you got my idea. If you are new to Apache web server, then explore it, and it's a very useful technique to know. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.